Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to screen record on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, 26 or S26 Plus. So simply go to my control center, just press on this option and you first find here your screen recorder. As you can see, showing it to my screen recorder, just tap on. Then I'm get this interface. Just select on full screen or vertical screen, like I'm select this or select this. Showing it to audio section, no, media and media microphone. Select any on, like I'm select, press on start recording. Okay, now start my screen recording. Showing it to more feature. If you want to enable to front camera or disable, showing it to pen option, change color, change thickness, just easily indicate any area. If you want to push the recording, press on, or when set complete. Or if you want to remove this, press on to this arrow, then remove and stop, record, saved. Open my gallery. As you can see, now showing it to my screen recording. So that's it.